at uni. So I'm on my way there now, and my last day of lectures. It's going to be a very busy week, so stay tuned. If you like it, be sure to let me know that you like and share. Want to see more of my face, more of my content, so I'll see you back. So I just had my first lecture. Video. Hola guys! Yeah. So last week of uni. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the not the library, but we're gonna go and sit down and study some work for a bit while we got time between. And yeah, just chill. So we decided to absolutely use free will to the max because might as well explore uni while we're still here. So this was a new building we'd never been to, and I thought, oh, it looked nice. So yeah, we just explored campus a bit because we might as well while we're still students here, and it was a really nice building, and it had like a nice balcony view as well. Like, this is so pretty. Look at the view. We made it to the rooftop. So we're just at the top of a building on campus. We've gone to like a new building just to see and explore campus because might as well. Yeah, it's really pretty up here. The weather's nice and we're just chilling. I think we're gonna go do some content for uni because we actually do have deadlines. Can't lie. So yeah. Last lecture, guys. How are we feeling right now? I'm happy. I'm okay. Nah, I'm happy. Made it to lecture 4 and I was so tired. I can't lie to you. Like, can you tell? Like, I was, yeah. Bruh. Welcome to day 2, I believe. Yesterday was all about last day of lectures. So today I don't actually have uni, but I have uni work to do. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to day 3. So today I just had my last few seminars. Now on my way back home to do some work, and I might just go in the sun as well. So yeah, last day-ish of seminars. Good night to just drop-ins. But yeah. So I'm on my way to my photo shoot for the yearbook, so it's gonna be a really exciting day. So yeah, and it's nice and sunny as well, which really does help. But my hair is just not staying flat, and I really hope it does. But yeah, let's go. So mini fit check. This is my outfit for the photo shoot, and yeah, she looked really cute, real pretty. And the photo shoot went really well. There were so many people that turned up, and it was a really fun day. So yeah, we're just taking our pictures for our yearbook. More to come. Yeah, soon come. Midway through the photo shoot, well, towards the end actually, we were trying to find a new place to take pictures because time is ticking. But yeah, it's been going well. So after the photo shoot, we decided to just use our free will yet again and just go into an empty lecture theatre and just chill. How you guys feeling? Good. We're feeling good. Last ever lecture. Well, it's not the last lecture, but we're just in the lecture theatre. It's just crazy, man. Like, that's the time at uni. Oh my gosh. Never in my life have I seen uni this empty. In fact, I say that's a lie actually. But uni was really, really empty. That's how long we were at uni. So yeah, it was a very, very long day. And then after, we just decided to take a stroll and get some food. Photo shoot done. Finally made it back home. It's been a very, very fun day. yeah, on to day 5. Day 5. Day 5, welcome to day 5. So, ready for the boat boom, all dressed up, and we're gonna go. I think we're kind of running a bit late, but it's gonna be fun. So I'm excited. So yeah, new hairstyle. So yeah, might as well. So we're just waiting in like is it a bar? I don't even know. But we were just chilling and just waiting to board the actual boat. But yeah, it was just a really nice scenery. Hey there! Hello! At the boat. We're just waiting to get onto the boat. So we're just, everyone's just waiting to get on the boat. I'll see you later!
Gentlemen, and welcome aboard the Nottingham Princess!
So it's time to get some food, and they had like a chili and rice thing, but I only really had the rice. I can't know because I didn't really know what the chili was, but yeah. So that is the end of the video. Slightly different ending, but I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to let me know by giving it a like, comment and share. And of course, if you want to see more of my face and more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you next week. Bye.